Hey guys, so this is my as promised screencast of some sample outlines. Thank you to your peers for creating these and allowing me to share them. So this one has the thesis, the colonists revised their early government created under the Articles of Confederation by creating the US Constitution, right? So that answers the how. And here's the because. This is the why of the prompt, because they needed a more long-term document of law that had amendments to grant people their rights. So if you organize your thesis like this, the how and the why, then your topic sentences can also model that, right? So topic sentence one is the Articles of Confederation were not meant to be permanent and were just a placeholder to give the country a small bit of order until a better document could be made. And then we have evidence from history notes. Nice job taking those notes. The second paragraph would be about the US Constitution was a much more polished and functional document than the Articles of Confederation because its amendments grant Americans certain rights and protect them from having those rights violated. So we have the how in topic sentence one and the why in topic sentence two. And then we have evidence of that, right? Defending that they want everyone to have certain rights. This is a great example from the Declaration. Okay, on tomorrow's DBQ, remember, you'll have multiple pieces of evidence for each topic sentence, but this is a great example of how to structure it. Here's one more. The colonists revised the Articles of Confederation by making 10 amendments and did this in order to keep themselves from becoming a tyranny. So, how? By making the 10 amendments. Why? In order to keep themselves from becoming a tyranny, right? Topic sentence one, the colonists revised the Articles of Confederation with 10 amendments. We have the how. And now we have this, the First Amendment, right, as evidence. Okay. Second topic sentence, the colonists made changes in order to keep themselves from becoming like Great Britain. This is the why, right? And so we have again from the Declaration what they didn't like about England. So these are two excellent examples of how to structure your DBQ tomorrow. And that if you can structure it in this way, you'll have a successful essay. Look at what you wrote, compare it to these. Let us know if you have any questions. Though again, Miss Carol and I are not likely to answer questions if you're emailing very late at night. Okay? All right, bye.